Update. Gobeithio pawb cael yn saff though. I hope everybody's keeping safe. So why aren't you showing? Uh-oh. 2 seconds. Cool, okay. I undod. It does show. Should be okay. Minecraft stream, yes. Okay. So I'm gonna gweithio. So for the controls, no, dismiss. That's settings. Top chat, live chat. Okay. Auto place off. That's intriguing. In Adeiladu, 1 second. Can I do this on here? Sorry, I'm trying to look at it and testing it now. Don't want to remove plate. Diolch yn iawn. Yeah, so we're just testing. Sorry, I'm trying to see if I can be dwi'n gallu neud while I am live streaming. If I can like edit stuff. I don't know. Dwi'n newydd I hwn. But yeah, Swimmer Street. Hwn yw Castell Caerdydd. This is Cardiff Castle here. I can show you some of the build in a second. Doing just trio. Ew. Can I? Hold on. There should be English subtitles if I manage to get it right as well. Yes. Advanced comment. Downbedding. Okay. Sorry. Doing newydd. I have been a live stream on Twitch. I do live stream on Twitch more, but I'm trying to see if I can do subtitles, closed captions, pethau closed captions and stuffs. Gaming, allow comments. Can I not use the stream key? No. Okay, I can. I don't know though. That's not too bad. Okay. Still a teeny bit annoying. I'm gonna look into that. I made a stream key up to try and get like closed captions on. That's just frozen. Hello? Oh no, I need to. So it's a bit. Pan dwi symud y sudden, if I move quickly. Hold on. I'n eiliad, mynd I fama. Sorry, I'm just testing stuff up. But yeah, I hope everybody's been doing good. Pawb bod yn saff. What have you been up to this week? Or today? It's not too glitchy. A dipyn bach glitchy. If I go slow, it's okay. It's a tiny bit. Okay, that's interesting. Mae'n diddorol. If we go wee down the street, also my skins aren't loading. Need to sort that out. I'll see if Minecraft needs updating quickly. And drift. Yeah, that's when it gets like really 8-bitty. Okay. We've got options. Mae gen ni options. Mae hein dal gweithio. Everything's still working. There's fuel loaded back up. And there's fuel wedi loadio nôl fyny, actually. Mae 'na lluniau. There's some photos in fuel that aren't loading. This bit and inside bit, no fucking clue why. I'm gonna fix that up quickly in between streams. Yeah. Really annoying. That's generally really annoying. I'll have to find the YouTube videos to fix that. And the little bootlegger thing here. Now I'm unloadio. Oh, these aren't loading. Oh no. Oh, Minecraft. They were last time. Pam dach chi'n... So the paintings are kind of loading in. Yeah, no, they had 1 second. I just want to check this now. Yeah, all good. It's just that those bits that don't load in all the time. That's weird. Either have had. Yeah, just those 3 walls, 3 wall yna. That's the only bit that there's some pictures there. Nothing you have fanna. I have to look at the Minty stream the other day. These are more loadio, hynna'n loadio. These are all good. It's really weird. Nah, really rhyfedd. Some paintings aren't loading and some are. I prefer that the multi-loads yn y cyn nhw gyd loadio, but the ffaith bod 99.9% of them yn loadio'n iawn I fi. So I'm just going to check Tiny Rebel. I need to check your Tiny Rebel. Yeah. That's weird. It must be like a save file or something, because I think I put them all down on the same... No, I put them all on different save files on different times. Diddorol. Intriguing. That's fine. I'll fix that up in between. Fix your wrong. Wrong stuff, but I think it's all good. I can't get closed captions though. I need to figure out how to do stream key compilation. Okay, cool. I think it was a good little test. But yeah, so thank you everybody for watching. I just wanted to test some stuff. I'm really annoyed at the painting still. It's not sufficient to broadcast gameplay. No! That should be okay. The frame rate might drop a little. So, yeah, it's streaming it fine though. I don't know. That's weird. Okay, wait. Diolch am watchad. Thank you everybody for watching. I'll be live tonight. I'll be live about 5:30ish. Here. I'm probably going to go live on Twitch for a little bit. What's build because I haven't been live on Twitch this week. Same name. The minute cosplay. I'm probably just going to terraforming or something. Internet's been shit. That's not really good. Yeah. So, yeah, I'll be live, but I will be from 6 o'clock, Tafwyl, for Tafwyl special streaming, streaming special. Oh, Tally, don't go blue screen on me. I need a new monitor. I need new technology. So, mi fyddai'n ffrydio ar gyfer Tafwyl yn Cymraeg from 6 till 7, but feel free, if you're a Welsh learner, or I'll try and get English captions working to translate, so... Diolch am watching, diolch I pawb am gwylio, I hope you guys stay safe, a pawb cadw'n iach.